Welcome back to Potato Rice and Trade, guys. Today is 2nd of October. What happened to October, man? Look like Bitcoin is going down. Is it going to be a reverse October, or we're still on October? All right. So basically, right now, if you see, we do have a lot of, I would say, unexpected news, which is the war. So if you notice, Iran and Israel started a war. So yep, that causes the whole drop. Well, so you might be asking, I thought war is good for Bitcoin. War is good for gold, where they will try to get more gold. You know, and why Bitcoin is still dropping. So basically, if you look at the whole bigger picture, you will see that the reason why Bitcoin dropped because of war is due to one thing: uncertainty. Uncertainty. So that's why the whole drop. All right. So let me just check one more thing. USDT dominance. Yeah. So apparently, if you notice, with all this Bitcoin, with all this war and external factor, it's actually better for US dollar. It's better for US dollar, which is quite weird. I also thought war is going to be beneficial for gold as well. So let's pray for the best. Which hopefully this war will end soon, so that our economy is back to stable and etc. But anyway, so when Bitcoin actually having this huge drop because I would say external factor, which is war. So if let's say war is ending, like hopefully by today, and then you can see a huge rebound. Definitely a huge rebound, right? And looking at so nothing much to look at chart, if you ask me. All right, nothing much to look at chart, uh because yeah, because wherever analysis right now is definitely going down. So no matter in terms of technical analysis, in terms of MACD, in terms of anything is it will be going down, right? Let me have a quick check. Yeah, six just happened at 4. Yeah, just have to quick check on everything. uh I'm not sure how many people managed to exit. So yesterday, when the war really started, I actually mentioned on trading chat room, if can, um, entry to hit, if back to entry, like partial take profit at least like 50%. Partial take profit for at least 50%, so that we are not risking that much. The war is here, don't risk for long, right? Right, as long as I mentioned something like, as long as we close above 61,000, then we might still have chance. But uh apparently it actually closed below 61,000, which is right now, I would say it's concerning. It's very concerning, where yeah, I mean, this is very unexpected though. I mean, the war is very unexpected. You can't predict the war, but based on uh what's it called? Based on technical analysis, this is still a good point to short as long as it's below 60, it's below the 60,000. Just that due to this whole unexpected stuff, it might actually drop because of war. It might actually go up because of war is ending as well. So I'm not like hoping or doing anything. So if you base on MACD, definitely right now you can see all the chart except for 6 and 8 hour is still the above the zero axis, which means uptrend. Right now, even though you can see like even 12 hour, the last resort, you can see a huge chunk of like histogram going downward. So if within like 12 hour to 24 hour, the there's no green color coming out, and then most likely we will having a risk of cutting loss our positions, right? So yep, I mean based on anything at all, we won't be able to see a good rebound. We won't be able to see a good rebound, right? We can see from here we have a very huge, very huge pin bar. I would say this is pin bar. We have like 1.83% of pin bar, but then there's continuous of drop because of war, and then another we have like so-called you know, you know another not so close to pin bar and at a huge volume as well. But then right now we will see how it goes next, because right now you can see the volume is pretty much dead. Everyone is so uncertain they don't dare to buy anything at all. So checking about liquidation map, you can see there's nothing much down there. There's nothing much down there. So the thing that I'm worried is if let's say Bitcoin continue to stay or hover below 60,000, we might actually drop more, because I don't see any limit order. I don't see any limit order, maybe huge limit order to buy at the bottom anymore, other than 50,000. All right, other than 50,000. All right. So you can see from here, there's nothing much other than 58, a bit, just a bit, not much. Basically, just a bit, literally just a bit. Like we have 58,230 Bitcoin, and then we have like 136, nothing much. And the bottom one is 50K. The bottom one is 50K. So if you look at here like this, right, then you might be like asking, oh, so basically if further drop down, it might probably go to 50,000. Yeah, yes, I would say yes. I would say yes. All right. So, uh, yep. I mean, based on future data, we won't be able to see much because of the war. So right now, open interest definitely dropped a lot. So let's have a quick check. You can see on open interest. Yep. So from here, before the war, at 10 and drop another 10%. Drop another 10%, 8.88%. 8.88%. All right. And right now we do have a lot of shorts. We do have a lot of shorts, which is good for us as a long. Oh yeah. Wait. Short is so aggressive, man. Currently we have 4.4 thousand. I'm not sure whether you guys can see properly. We have 4.4 thousand of net short currently at the moment. 4,000 net short. Wow, this is huge on short. This is huge on short. All right. Let me just check on CBD. Oh, from here, 2nd October, 4:30. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. So basically, if you don't have any long order, we don't have any short order, just remain wherever you are doing right now. Uh, this mean external factor we can't control, but based on technical analysis, this is definitely a good retracement. If you would ask me, this is definitely a good retracement. We are at 786 and 0.618 range. All right, we are at 0.618 range, which is the golden Fibonacci level. So this is the last resort. If let's say we can manage to hold, then perfect. Then this rebound is definitely very good. All right. So if we like open like this, you can see from here to here, 0.618. All right. I just delete this. Don't remember what is this. Wait, this highlight delete, highlight delete, text delete. All right. So this is, if let's say this 0.618, which is 60,800, managed to hold and going up, then yep, this is what we call the last support. All right, you might be asking like, what if it dropped down to like 57,000? This is also 0.618. This is the strongest support. This is the strongest support. If it drop below this, I would say probably we might need to consolidate more at the bottom stage. All right. So this is the strongest support. Okay, so how do I know that this is the strongest support? As you can see right now, previously it was here. It was here. All right, 57,000. So the first time it actually reaches here, retest and go up. Then all the time, I would say this is a fake breakout. This is a fake breakout, and then stand above it and go up. Same thing here. The reason, the moment it go down straight. So if you switch to a lower time frame, then you can see a better picture. See, previously when it dropped further than here, it's actually retested here as well. Retested here before it go up again. So 57 definitely is the strongest support. All right. And after that, it actually flipped as well. Change resistance to support. Change resistance to support. Broke down. A fake one, another fake one, same thing. So this is a very crucial area. But of course, this is a range from 56,600 to 57,500. All right, 56,600 to 57,500, which is about close to 800 points. Close to 800 points. So this is the strongest support. If we fall below here, I would say we are doomed. If we fall below here, I would say we are doomed. Then most likely we won't be able to see 68 or 70,000 sooner or later. All right, but of course, I would say, um, I will use 60,000 as a benchmark right now. As for now, right? As for now, right? But Ethereum is dropped even further. Which is also support. Right now. Uh, yeah. Let me just check previously if I managed to. If I'm not mistaken, I managed to long Ethereum as well. I think I got stop loss. Yeah, I got stop loss, man. 2476. Yep. Too bad. Too bad. But right now, Ethereum is a good long though. Ethereum is a good long because yeah, this is 0.618. Together we have a trend line to support. All right. So So yesterday it was still here. And if you do a market short, wow, there's a 4%. Oh, it's huge. It's huge. This drop is brutal, man. It killed off everyone. But nevertheless, yeah, war on whatnot. This is definitely a good point to do long. Uh, if despite the war, just that play cautiously, as in play smaller margin, play smaller damage cost because of uncertainty. Yeah, right. If let's say based on TA, I mean after all this drop, right, the first thing we usually will check on the support resistance flip. All right, this long going upward to probably 4%, then yeah, that's the best part. No, this 4% going upward to 4%, and then we'll see whether it can break 2540, and then we'll see next. Currently we are still in a very good we are still currently in a healthy trend, just that not that optimistic anymore. So we still see lower low, we still see higher low. We do see higher low. This is still a higher low unless we broke down to 2200. The thing is, so this is a previous high. So right now, if you hold this, then probably we will see a good bounce back. But if let's say we don't hold this higher high, I mean this previous high, then most likely we will take this low again, and then to start accumulate again. All right, so yeah, if let's say for Bitcoin, then same thing. Bitcoin, same thing. The nearest resistance is around 62,500. 62,500. All right, that's the nearest one. So, yep, I would say give it a day or two for the whole war settle down. You know, if if your second entry at 60,000 that haven't entered, should you keep it? Of course you can keep it. Of course you can keep it. Of course you can keep it. All right, of course you can keep it. I mean, based on price action, if you look at this, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. As in, even like 4 hour, 1 hour, you can see there's a huge, a long wick tail. Simply means there's much more of buying power at the bottom. Literally just telling you that there is more buyer trying to push back the price. Just that right now the buyer is slightly weaker than the seller. The buyer is weaker than the seller. So yeah. So if any chance that like any good news from the war, or they are ending, that they come out with agreement or whatever is it, then I would say that there will be a huge pump. There will be a huge pump. That's what I'm betting on. So that's what I'm betting on, because we planned our long previously. We planned our long previously, so we have to hold the long. And if let's say I didn't plan the long previously, then I would just play a smaller margin and enter at 60,000. So I would just like enter at 60,000 and with a smaller margin. But right now, it happened. So what to do? Yeah, all right. So yeah, pretty much that's a quick update for today. There's nothing much I can say because of the war. And if you check on liquidation map, there's nothing much more to drop, because of the, if let's say you check out any TA, it's definitely to do long. Any TA at all, any TA definitely is to do long, right? Unless you are saying that, there might be more liquidation around 60,100 or 59,000 and all these things, but then top part there is even more, means actually there's more people doing short right now. All right, there's more people doing short. Cool. Cool. So you can see that even 1 day, 30 days, everything is liquidation for long is huge. Liquidation for long is huge. So simply it will create more fuel, when a small pump. That when there is a small demand, then the price will go up crazy, and you can go up crazy. All right, so if you check our liquidation map, all right. Next up is definitely ETF. Yeah, you see another sell off on ETF as well. All right, so yep, that's all for today's live stream. And in summary, do long cautiously because of war. Right, it's a good retracement. I would say because of this war, it's a good retracement, but do a cautious long. Right, that's very simple in one word. Do a cautious long. Okay, right. I'll see you guys again, and yeah, tomorrow. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. All right. So why is that? What I'm asking, if rejected at 62,500, can we short again? Yes, we can. We can. But the short is a short-term one. All right, the short will be a short-term. All right, as long as back to 52,500 to 63. 62,500 to 63 range, definitely we can short again. All right. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. See ya. Peace out.